Today I am interviewing my mom, Gulna Sheikh. She is a development practitioner, a trainer, and a human rights activist. She works hard to help people and make the world a better place. I want to learn more about her life, her work, and her experiences. Assalamu alaikum, Gulna Sheikh. How are you?
Walaikum assalam. I'm good, and how are you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Can you give your introduction so people can know who you are?
Okay, my biggest introduction is that I'm your mom, and and my name is Ulna Sheikh, as you told everyone, and I work in development sector, and I am a human rights and women rights activist, and I train people on different personality traits, and so many things I do. But one thing which is a very tough to do is raising my uh, very naughty girl.
I am not naughty and do not say that. No, your mic is muted by the way.
Okay, so this was my introduction.
What did you want to become when you were a little girl? And explain it.
What I wanted to be, um, I didn't know. I think, like all kids, I wanted to be astronaut. I wanted to see the sky, wanted to know about the stars, and when I become a teenage, then I think I will be the doctor. But I had no any passion to do that. I just wanted to be, because people around me wanted that the girl should be the doctor. But I wanted to help people. I wanted to be with people. I wanted to help people who need my help. And yes, and that time I didn't know what you call this profession, that when you help people. And when I went to the university, then I got to know that it is a development sector or human rights, where you help people around you.
Okay. Now my uh that was amazing. Why did you want to become an astronaut? You told us that you want to see the star. Do you want to explore anything more in space?
Yes, uh, when I was a little kid, um, my Baba used to tell us the stories in the night time. And where we lived, that was a semi city, like it was in between village and the city. So it was not a proper city, it's more of village. So um, हम जो है वहाँ, हमारे घर में एक एरिया था, what we can say that area के it was like a lawn. एंड हम सर्दियों में या गर्मियों की शामों को वहाँ पर सोया करते थे, राइट? तो मेरे पापा यूजुअली मुझे कहानियाँ सुनाते थे, और वो ऐसी जगह थी कि हम लेट कर और आसमान को देख सकते थे, और वहाँ पर चूँकि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ज़्यादा नहीं होती थी, तो वी कुड सी सो मेनी स्टार्स. And I could see the different designs, you can say, of these stars, and every day they were same. So they were really inspired me
Excuse me?
and fascinated
Yeah.
me. Gee, please.
I'm saying there's not different shape of stars. There's only like one circle shape. But in if you say in if you call it in the shape you see on the internet, it's like this.
The star's shape. I'm not talking about the shape of a star. I'm saying the design they make, like 4 stars make a different style of stars, and then three of them, and I don't know what they call it, but you can say the same patterns. We can say patterns.
Okay, different patterns. So, do you enjoy time with your father
A
and
lot,
sisters?
a lot. I don't know about the other siblings. Um, Only about my elder brother. I enjoyed time with my elder brother, but most of time I didn't enjoy with them. But I enjoyed with my baba, my father. He used to tell me all the stories that had a lesson to learn, and I was so happy to listen. Every night I had to listen that story, and I still remember all the stories, and I use those lessons in my life. Still, I use them.
Oh wow! Maybe on what? Can you tell us about your hometown, Hyderabad?
Yes, my hometown is Hyderabad, and you know what? In Hyderabad, we live very historical place, and entire Hyderabad is a historical place. There are so many, like there are fort there are tombs there are so many buildings which have been built so many years ago, and our home is near to a very old railway station, so one can enjoy Hyderabad, and I remember all the time I have spent there.
Okay, I have a question for you. What are some famous buildings that you have visited?
In Hyderabad,
Yes, famous buildings.
I just told you. One is the old railway station, which still exists. People use it, but the building is very old. Then there is a tomb, very old tombs. I don't know how to explain that, but and a fort, very old fort of Hyderabad, and there was a person called Mukhi. He has a huge building, huge house there. That also exists, and now it become a museum, I guess. So there are so many buildings are there.
Gulnar Sheikh, can you please explain?
G,
Did my friends came?
G.
Okay, so my next question for you is that can you tell a lot about your childhood, like what you have done, what were your favorite things to do what traditions you did?
It's a very traditional childhood. Um, like every child, I have enjoyed my toys, especially my dolls. And at that time, we have so many friends, school friends, and
Excuse me, Panas.
yes, please.
Can you keep talking? Let me just put on my charger.
ओके, सो कई 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 सारे दोस्त थे, तो फैमिली के जो हैं कजिन्स वगैरह जब आते थे तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा एंजॉय करते थे, मोहल्ले के फ्रेंड्स थे। अच्छा, और उनके साथ हम बहुत ज़्यादा खेलते थे। द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग इज़ कि उस वक़्त कोई मोबाइल, कोई डिजिटल चीज़ें नहीं थी, टेलीविज़न भी नहीं था। जब मैं छोटी थी तो ज़्यादातर हम लोग दोस्तों के साथ खेलते थे, और उसके अंदर जो है वो डॉल्स के साथ खेलना, और हम काइट भी फ्लाई करते थे, और हम लोग मार्बल्स के साथ भी खेलते थे। एंड वन ऑफ a great hobby is to go to the train station and watch train coming and going.
आप कभी बोर्ड गेम्स खेलते हैं?
हाँ, ये सारे बोर्ड गेम्स ही होते थे ना, हम घर में, गली में, मोहल्ले में खेलते थे। ये दीज आर द लिटिल different board games. Like, if you remember, I have teach you that chiludi kava ura thing. You remember? We used to play
Kabauda,
that. Yeah.
Chiriura.
Chili ura.
Those are very old board games.
Those are
They were
very old,
fun.
yes.
When you were bored, like you had no, like when you
And
had no digital world, you
no,
just
there
played
were no digital event. And one thing more, we were playing last night or in the morning, that chum chum thing. We played with
some.
the hands, chum chum chum. Yes, we did that. And we used to play or used to sing different poems. These things we were, and another thing, we call them kho. So we four girls could play that. We had to run around for that. So those all things were the board games, because we had no mobile phone like you people. There was no computer.
Yeah, I have a question for you.
Yeah.
You in the I think you ever done something and thought like there's a game called Charlie Charlie.
I
Yeah,
don't remember.
I'll tell you about Charlie Charlie. Charlie Charlie is a game where you when you make a paper say yes here, yes there, no there, and yet no here. You put a pencil and another pencil on top. You spin the pencil on top, and when it spins, you ask a question, Charlie Charlie, are you there? If it says no, it's not there, and if it says yes, it's there. It's like a monster game based in horror. Have you ever done something that's horror, or have you ever pranked?
Yeah, I think we pranked friends, but that was a little different. It's
What
not
did
like
you
Charlie
prank?
Charlie.
How did you prank them? Explain me.
एक मजे की चीज बताऊं, इट वाज रेनिंग एट दैट टाइम, और व्हाट आई डिड के मैंने एक काला बुर्का पहना, और, और जो है
I know that story.
यू
Story
नो
you already told me. You can tell
हाँ,
everyone.
और मेरी नेबरहुड फ्रेंड जो है, मैं उसको डराने के लिए चली गई, बिकॉज उस वक्त कोई भी गली में नहीं था, और मैं जो है ना वो बुर्का पहन के उधर चली गई, बिकॉज आई कुडंट सी एनीथिंग। मैं बड़ी ऐसे ही जा रही थी, तो मुझसे पहले वो आ गई एंड उल्टा मैं डर गई। आई वॉज प्रैंक्ड, क्योंकि उसने भी कुछ ऐसी ही चीज की। तो हम इस तरह के प्रैंक करते थे। अभी आप लोग की जैसे बहुत मुश्किल वाले प्रैंक नहीं करते।
कौन सी मुश्किल आपने कभी अपने क्या कहते हैं फैमिली के साथ प्रैंक किया है?
नहीं, मम्मा से डर लगता था।
क्यों डर? इसलिए
तो
आपके आपकी मदर आपको अगर आप कोई अच्छा वाला प्रैंक ना करें वो आपको
तो वो होता है ना,
डांटेंगी।
टीड़ी टीड़ी हो जाता था। यस।
आप आप अपने मदर के साथ कभी ऐसे करती थी कि मुझे ये पढ़ना नहीं है बस?
हाँ, बहुत ज्यादा।
किस टॉपिक पर करती थी?
यू मीन सब्जेक्ट?
सब्जेक्ट कुछ भी आप एक्सप्लेन कर दें।
तो किस टॉपिक पे करती थी मैं? मोस्टली जब वो मुझे रात को कहीं काम के लिए भेजती थी ना, तो फिर मुझे बड़ा बुरा लगता था। मैं कहती थी मैंने नहीं जाना। और फिर ये होता था कि जब जब मैं वापस आती थी, तो मेरे नेबरहुड में बहुत डार्क होता था, तो फिर थोड़ी दूर रहकर ना मैं बहुत शाउट करती थी, और मामा को ये बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगता था कि मैं डरती क्यों हूँ। मैं बहुत डरती थी, मैं बहुत पूरे नेबरहुड आ जाते थे वहां, इसको क्या हो गया है। मैं बहुत ज्यादा शाउट करती मुझे घर लेके जा। तो फिर मामा बहुत मुझे बहुत पीटती थी। तो आप सुनाए।
इस टाइम पर तो सब लोग सारे मदर्स तो ऐसे ही होते हैं।
बिल्कुल ऐसे ही होते हैं, और फिर प्यार भी तो बहुत करते
प्यार तो खाली डांटने से मिलता
हैं।
है।
आपकी मामा आपको डांटती है?
आप ही तो है मेरी मदर, और बहुत डांटा है आपने मुझे।
So, do you have another question?
आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहती हैं जो बच्चे मेरे तरह देख रहे हैं इस इंटरव्यू को? माइक म्यूटेड है मिस।
हाँ, तो वैसे हम कितनी देर का इंटरव्यू कर रहे हैं?
25 मिनट।
अच्छा, तो ये अच्छा, ओके, मैसेज मेरा, तो मेरा मैसेज मैसेज तो एंड में देंगे ना हम,
मैसेज
जब,
तो एंड में देंगे, वो तो पता है,
हाँ,
लेकिन वो
ठीक
तो
है,
फाइनल मैसेज होगा ना, अभी तो कोई
अभी फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ मैसेज है।
हाँ।
अच्छा, फन राउंड जो है वो ये है कि बहुत शरारतें करते रहे, बहुत खेलते रहे, और अब यस और अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखें, अपना ख्याल रखें, अपनी मॉम का ख्याल रखें, और कीप प्लेइंग एंड कीप डूइंग नॉटी थिंग्स, क्योंकि बच्चे ही तो करते हैं ना नॉटी थिंग्स।
नॉटी थिंग्स तो हम लोग ज्यादा नहीं करते, हम तो मासूम से रहते हैं।
या अल्लाह, इतने मासूम, इतने इतने मासूम, दो चार और हो जाए ना, दुनिया खत्म हो जाएगी।
आपको क्या, किसने इंस्पायर किया है मोस्ट, और कैसे इंस्पायर किया है?
अच्छा, बहुत सारे लोग हैं मुझे इंस्पायर किया। जब मैं छोटी थी तो,
एक्सक्यूज मी,
जी प्लीज।
ये इंटरव्यू इंग्लिश से उर्दू कैसे चला गया, ये बताएं।
अच्छा, ये मिक्स रहेगा ना, बिकॉज हमारे जो ऑडियंस हैं, सम ऑफ आर इंग्लिश एंड सम ऑफ आर उर्दू, सो वी विल डू इट मिक्स। सो मुझे जो है ना इंस्पायर किया था, सबसे पहले तो मेरी मॉम ने,
हम्म।
शी गेव मी सो मच encouragement कि शी taught me everything, कि मैं दुनिया में कैसे जाऊँ, लोगों के साथ कैसे मिलूँ, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस दिया, हाउ टू टॉक टू पीपल, हाउ टू नेगोशिएट विद पीपल, एंड शी मेड मी स्टडी, और मुझे पढ़ाया लिखाया। तो पहले तो मेरी मदर, बिकॉज शी वाज टोटली अनएजुकेटेड, लेकिन शी मेड मी एजुकेटेड, और फिर सारी दुनिया दिखाई मुझे, ठीक है। देन उसके बाद फिर मेरे टीचर्स, और मुझे स्कूल तो बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर नहीं किया था, मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा इंस्पायर मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी ने किया था, वहाँ के फ्रेंड्स ने किया था। तो वहाँ के जो टीचर हैं ना, बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंडली होते थे। एंड देन देयर इज़ अ पर्सनैलिटी, शहीद बेनज़ीर भुट्टो, शी वॉज अ प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान एट दैट टाइम, and she was a brave woman and she inspired me.
I have a question. One time you told me you have 60 family members. How
Oh
does
yeah,
that work?
I don't have 60 family members, you have 60 family members, we have 60 family members.
Yeah, tell how we have 60.
So and you know, I have three sisters, and then I have three brothers, right? We are three sisters and three brothers, right? So all are married, and then they have, mashallah, kids. My elder brother has a six kids, my another brother has three kids, and my another brother has two kids, and another sister has six kids, and the other sister has three kids. So now most of them are married. So you remember I told about Hina Baji, Sanam, and Benazir, everyone there. And now
No.
they also have kids. So when you count them, from my brother, from my mother, father, then brother, sister, and the nieces, and now ग्रैंड किड्स, तो ये सारे मिलके 60 फैमिली मेंबर्स बन जाते हैं.
You have a big family. That's you actually. You have. Do you think you have? How do you think about your child? Me.
Child, what do you say?
I said, how do you think about your child? Me.
Oh, you are so beautiful, so naughty. You make me sometimes sick, but you make me happy too. I
I
live
have
with
another
both of you.
question.
Sorry.
It's a. I have another question. After this, you can tell about me. This is a funny question. Why do you want my hair?
Why I want your hairs? Because they are so beautiful. They're curly. Because I had, when I was child, I had those hair, and I made them. I ruined them. So now when I see your hair, I like them. I love them. So I want them. So this was about your hair, but about you. So
Yes.
I like you the most because you are the only child, and I live for you. Now my whole life is around you.
Okay, I have a question. What
Okay,
do
please.
I think about siblings?
Me or you?
Me. What do I think about siblings?
You don't want any sibling because you don't want to share the love. You don't want to share the things. You don't want to share the money.
The things I see on the internet actually make me wild. That's why I hate.
What kind of things?
I see in the internet, like my friends Minahil and Arham.
Yeah.
They usually fight a lot. I start the fight and I get out of it and watch the drama and eat some popcorn.
It's a.
Like
Oh,
I start the fight.
you start the fight and then you see only. It's not good, is it?
It's not good. Not like I don't start the fight.
You
Arham,
said you started.
no, like not literally. I don't literally start the fight. Arham
Okay.
comes to me.
So
Arham
that's
comes.
why you don't want siblings, so nobody should fight with you, right?
I don't want siblings, and because I have, for myself, I only have one computer.
Yeah.
They will take it all. They will take my iPad. They will take everything from me.
It's okay,
And then
share.
we will, then we
Sharing.
will fight. Listen, and when we will bring pizza, we will only fight on one slice.
But listen, tell me one thing. You have two neighbor friends, right? What are their names?
I, I think they're right beside you, right?
They are right beside me, but what's their name? Ishal and Aliza, right?
Yes.
You share your gadgets with them, right? They are like
Yeah.
your sisters.
Yeah, they don't take my gadgets at least forever.
They take it, they play. Siblings also play.
Yeah, siblings. Now listen. Now I will get. Now think there's a my sibling right there. I give it to her.
Okay.
Now I want to play. After I'm done playing, I tell her or him to give my iPad back. They will just steal it and go away.
Oh God. Okay, so this is a good news that you are alone. There's no sibling around.
What is your final message?
What is my final message? Hmm. To all kids, I will say do hard work, play, be naughty, but do your work as well.
Adults.
Don't, not the adults, the kids. You don't waste your time. When it's time to study, you should study, and when it's time to play, you should play. Don't waste your time at the time. Don't mix all those times, and keep the timetable when you have to study, because the study make you successful in future, and the play keep you healthy.
Okay.
This
Thank
was
you,
my
Mom.
message.
Thank you, Mom, for answering my question. I learned many new things about your life and your work. I feel proud that you help people and stand for human rights. You inspire inspire me to be kind, brave, and helpful to others. I love you very much, and I hope I can make a positive difference like you every day. Thank you so much, Gulnaz Sheikh, for joining
I
us.
love you too. Bye bye.
Bye bye, everyone. I hope you have a great day. Allah Hafiz.